Ciao.
Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope all of you are well. Yes, I am also. Today we will learn how to completing sentences. Look at the board. Here some incomplete sentences, and according to rules, we will complete the rest of the sentences. So let's start with me. Question number 1. It is high time. It is high time. So attentively listen. It is if the sentences having high time or it is high time or time. So it's appropriate time to do the work. So it is high time according to rules. We can take subject, then take the main verb with past participle form, with past form. It is high time. If the sentence start with high time or it is time, then we will take a subject, then past form of the main verb, then take appropriate word. So completing sentence is it is high time we changed our habits, or any other sentence we can take. We changed our eating habits, we changed our bad habits, we did something for the homeland. Any other, you can take any other appropriate word according to rules. Question number 2. Walk slowly, lest. Listen carefully, dear students. Lest. Here the rules is lest. If the sentence having lest, at first will take an a subject you, then according to subject, after subject then we'll take should or might, then take appropriate word. So according to rules we can take subject you, then the rules should or might, then appropriate word. You should miss the train, or you should miss the class, or you should miss the station, then any other, you can put any other appropriate word. Question number 3. He pretends as if. Here the rules of as if. As if, as if. That means jano. He pretends as if. So we can take appropriate subject he, then as if. Instead of as if we can use where. The form is of course where. So according to rules we can take subject, then where. As if he pretends as if he were mad, or we can take any other appropriate word. He were a man, he were a poet, he knows, he were known everything. So question number 4. Those who are idle cannot succeed. Those who are idle. Here's these incomplete sentences cannot succeed. Okay, we can take demonstrative pronoun those, then take relative pronoun who. Those who are idle, proverb cannot succeed. In this proverb, we can fill up the in a complete sentences. Next, number 5. Had I seen you, had I seen you before, had I seen you before. Here's attentively follow the example of the rules of had plus subject plus past participle form. Here's the rules of third conditional. That means perfect conditional. If the sentence start with had plus subject plus past participle form, so we can take third conditional. That means perfect conditional. According to rules, we can take subject, then would have or could have or might have, any other form, would have, might have or could have. So we can take subject, then would have, then the main verb with past participle form, invited, then object. So we can take I would, had I seen you before, then I would invited you. So the third conditional, perfect conditional rules is I would have invited you. So dear students, look at the board and following these incomplete sentences, do your SW, and see you next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.